morning, this is Cascade. Please stand by for your morning fire weather forecast and intelligence report. Today's intelligence report, July 19th. Yesterday we had no fires. Total number of classified fires is 68. Our duty officer is Rex Capella. We have no up team available. All ISL zones are at level 2, except for 649 South and 655, which are at level 1. Our set starting levels are all at 4 high. Our fire danger rating across the region is high. All counties have debris burn bans. However, recreational fires are currently allowed in Cowlitz, Wahkiakum, Lewis and Pacific. On DNR land, no burning of any kind is allowed. Today's safety topic is responding to vehicle fires, and we have one Type 2 rotor available in Camp Bonneville, and one Type 2 and one helitanker available in Olympia. And today's general announcement, there are global software outages that are affecting DNR computers and radio consoles. Break. Today's fire weather forecast for Portland and surrounding areas. Warm and dry conditions continue through the weekend. Hottest day Saturday with near critical minimum relative humidity values. Overnight humidity recovery is generally good, with surface inversions around 3,000 feet and onshore flow. An upper level disturbance brings a chance of showers late Saturday into Sunday morning, along with the low confidence of elevated thunderstorms. Break. Today's fire weather forecast for fire weather zone 631, the Cowlitz River lowlands and the eastern Willapa Hills. Today the weather will be partly cloudy with patchy fog in the morning. Maximum temperature 78 to 85 degrees. Minimum humidity 45 to 55%. The winds at the valleys and the lower slopes northwest 3 to 5 miles per hour, and in the ridges and the upper slopes northwest 3 to 5 miles per hour in the morning, becoming variable less than 5 miles per hour, and then becoming northwest 4 to 6 miles per hour late afternoon. Chance of wetting rain 0%. Lightning activity level is 0. Level 1. Haines high index 4 or low, Haines mid index 4 or low, wind height 4,000 feet. Transport winds northwest around 5 miles per hour. Tonight the weather will be mostly clear. Minimum temperature 53 to 58 degrees. Maximum humidity 90 to 100%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes northwest 3 to 6 miles per hour, and in the ridges and the upper slopes northwest 4 to 7 miles per hour. Chance of wetting rain 0%. Lightning activity level 1. Haines high and Haines mid indexes 4 or low. Mixing height near the surface. Transport winds northwest around 10 miles per hour, becoming north after midnight. Break. For fire weather zone 632, the Cowlitz County foothills. Today the weather will be partly cloudy and then becoming mostly sunny. Maximum temperature 75 to 85 degrees, except in the ridges 69 to 79 degrees. Minimum humidity 45 to 55%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes and the ridges and the upper slopes northwest 3 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of wetting rain 0%. Lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,000 feet, transport winds northwest around 5 miles per hour. Tonight the weather will be mostly clear, minimum temperature 55 to 60 degrees, maximum humidity 80 to 90%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes and the ridges and the upper slopes north 3 to 6 miles per hour. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height near the surface, transport winds north around 10 miles per hour. Break. For fire weather zone 633, the Park County lowlands and the Swift Reservoir region. Today the weather will be mostly sunny, maximum temperature 79 to 86 degrees, except in the ridges, 70 to 75 degrees. Minimum humidity 40 to 50%, except in the ridges, 55 to 60%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, west 3 to 6 miles per hour, and in the ridges and the upper slopes, variable 0 to 3 miles per hour, becoming west 4 to 7 miles per hour, beginning late morning. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,000 feet, transport winds northwest around 5 miles per hour. And tonight the weather will be mostly clear, with a minimum temperature of 54 to 60 degrees, except in the ridges, 60 to 65 degrees. Maximum humidity 80 to 90%, except in the ridges, 60 to 65%. And the winds in the valleys and the lower slopes, north 3 to 6 miles per hour. In the ridges and the upper slopes, west 5 to 7 miles per hour, 50 to the southeast, 4 to 6 miles per hour after midnight. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 5 or moderate, mixing height near the surface, transport winds northwest around 10 miles per hour, becoming north after midnight. Break. For fire weather zone 636, the western Columbia River Gorge in Oregon and Washington. Today the weather will be mostly sunny, maximum temperature 79 to 88 degrees, minimum humidity 34 to 45%, and the winds in the valleys and the lower slopes west 6 to 9 miles per hour, with gusts up to 17 miles per hour. Chance of wetting rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, Haines high index 4 or low, mixing height 4,500 feet, Transport winds west around 5 miles per hour, increasing to around 10 miles per hour in the afternoon. And tonight the weather will be clear, minimum temperature 57 to 63 degrees, maximum humidity 75 to 85%. The winds in the valleys and the lower slopes west 5 to 8 miles per hour. Chance of western rain 0%, lightning activity level 1, hail high index 5 or moderate, mixing height near the surface. Transport winds west around 10 miles per hour, decreasing to around 5 miles per hour after midnight. And that concludes your morning fire weather forecast and intelligence report for Portland and surrounding areas. Have a lovely day. Cascade clear, K9669, 1027.